So this is a quick run through the control room, and the first place to start is in the Power Widget itself. So if you click on Power Widget, the Power Widget's already been created, it's already had its report, so there's nothing for you to set up because this has already been done. And what you're looking at here is your actual Power Widget, which you can embed onto your website anywhere you like, and in as many places on your website. And you do that simply by copying that small string of code and pasting it wherever you wish the personality widget to appear. And once people click on that, they'll then be taken to the questionnaire and they'll be added to your statistics. Now, once somebody has completed it, you can view all the registered users. So you can click here and view who has completed it. And of course, you can do some searches as well. So here's an example of who's done it. You can see at a glance which personality quadrant they belong to, and that can be very useful. And their basic details. Now, if you want to read their detailed report, which is this summary that we've created, then you need to move them from here into your detailed report. So you simply click on Move, and it removes them from this database and moves them across to your detailed database so that you can manage these better. You can also, of course, download the CSV of all of the people in here, should you wish to do so. And of course, again, you can see that you have usernames and things displayed. Okay, so let's go over to the detailed reports. Many of the features you will never need to use because we've actually configured everything for you. So although there's a high degree of customization and facilities available, most of it you actually can ignore. So, so here we are in the detailed report. So we click on View Reports, and that will show you a list of all the candidates that you've moved into your detailed report. So you would generally move them if they're coming to see you and if you're maybe wanting to work with them on a one-to-one basis as a training manager. So here's an example here. And again, we just click on their name. And in your case, there's only going to be one report, but there could be more reports added here. You have that option. But in your library, as part of this license, you already have a report for everybody that you move across. So we can click on the View Now, and this is the summary report as specified by Prudential. So essentially, we've taken each of the key elements, if you like. So if we take customer focused, and what we're looking at is this is, if you've seen the compass, this is the numerical version of the compass. And the compass can either go from, actually it should be -50 to +50, because some of the topics are rated 0 to 50 or -50 to +50, and some are -10 to +10. But in this instance here, let's say customer focus is +15, between 15 and 20. 0 is the optimum, so you're generally somebody who scores a 0 or near 0 is very naturally strong in whatever the topic is. So if it was customer focus, near 0 would be very strong, +50 would be very disinterested, -50 would be overly concerned, near 0, so in this case here we're sort of halfway between 0 and 50, so a wee bit less than that, +15, so that's quite good. And this person at worst would be slightly disinterested, heading more towards that than being overly concerned. Decision making is the same, you know, either abdicate or hasty. In this case it's pretty near 0, so this is pretty good decision making with a slight tendency towards hastiness. And that's it. You can print, you can send the report to a third party. Most of these other features you will never need. You can export the details for each individual should you wish to. You can copy and paste and print it into a Word document if you wish as well.